Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Ford F-150. A 5-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.